Okay, hi guys, welcome back to November AAHL Paper 1, 2023. So we're going to now do Section B questions. Now these are the very long answer type of questions. So yeah, you can see they're quite uh, high marking questions. So yeah, it's meant to be like Section A is about 55 marks, Section B is 55 marks, so then 110 marks in total. So yeah. Now we can do this question number 10. So, question number 10, it tells us that we have to state the equation of the vertical asymptote to the graph of y equals to g of x, right? So, y equals to g of x. And by the way, in the real exam, you have to write this on an answer booklet, so you can't write it like underneath here or anything like that. And there's no space given. Like how it's given in section A, you have to write it in our answer booklet separate one because it's a high marking question, so they like to do it that way. So, but for video purposes, I'm just going to write it over here. So yeah, so we can do part A first. Part A, man, we have it's only 1 mark, so it's quite easy actually. So state the equation of vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote, man, we just have to substitute 0 for x. है ना? So g of 0 equal to 2 ln of 0 minus ln of d. Now ln of 0 is undefined, so this just means that we have a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 0. That's it. That's our answer. So B part में क्या है? So I part is show that at the points of intersection x square minus 2dx plus 90 equals to 0. So in this case, we just have to equate same points of intersection. So you have to equate d of x and f of x. Now there's some topic 1 in this number and algebra, so I can talk you guys through that as well. So let's do that now. So 2 ln x minus ln d is equal to ln of 2x minus 9. So 2 ln x, we can rewrite this, right, using our log rules as ln x square minus ln d is equal to ln of 2x minus 9. These log rules for JE, you have to memorize them. For the IB diploma, there's some formulas given, but not all, so you have to memorize some regardless. I would just say memorize all of them, even if you're in the IB diploma program. Uh, yeah, because it's easier than flipping through the pages during the exam. You'll at least save some time. So now this formula is quite easy. It's basically ln m minus ln n formula, which will be equal to ln of m upon n. So write this down and we can apply this to this equation. So this is ln of x square upon b is equal to ln of 2x minus 9. And now we can just remove the ln's because both sides are ln, right? So x square upon d equals to 2x minus 9. So now algebra, we have d into 2x minus 9. Now this becomes x square is equal to 2xd minus 9d, and we have x square minus 2x minus 2dx plus 9d is equal to 0. Hence we've proved the points of intersection are at these at this equation. So now we can do the second part. Now second part, it says let me just make a new page really quickly. So second part, it says hence show that d square minus 9d is greater than 0. So greater than 0 is because it's asking us for two distinct points. Okay, so this is talking about discriminant over here, right? So whenever it says two distinct points that are greater than zero, and if it says one exact point then is equal to zero and less than one is less than 1 point is less than zero. So we have these conditions. So and this is already given, so you don't have to really know that knowledge, but it's you have to know the knowledge because some other questions might ask you just directly like two distinct points. Then you don't know what inequality to use. So you have to use the greater than zero for two distinct points. Okay, so two distinct points. Uh, we can just use this equation right here. The same equation we can use, which is x square minus 2dx plus 9d. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And so this, let's write this equation here. Why not? Plus 90. And this is a, b, c. So what is b square? It will obviously be minus 2d whole square minus 4 into what's our a? Our a is 1. And we could coefficient of x square is 1. And then our c is 90 greater than 0. So simplifying this, we have 4d square minus 36d is greater than 0. Divided by 4 on both sides. Yeah, d squared minus 90 greater than 0. Yeah, we proved that. Okay, so then we can do part 3 now. So part 3 is find the range of possible values of d. So this is quite easy. Okay, so um all we have to do is find the range of the possible values, and the previous portion set us up for it essentially. So yeah, we can now do that. So now when we write this, you can factor this, right, to solve it. D into d minus 9 is greater than 0. So we have 1 as d is less than 0, and we have 1 as d is greater than 9. But we know that the question has given us this domain again, right? You have to pay attention to the domain, okay? So d is like this within this domain. So, oh my god, this is not written properly. Yeah, okay. So hence, since we are restricted in this domain, the positive area, so we have to only consider d is greater than 9 as our solution, right? So only solution is d is greater than 9. That's it. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed and understood parts A and B of this question number 10. And in the next video, I'll be explaining part C of question number 10. So if you have any questions, please do comment in the comment box, and please do like, share, and subscribe this video. And yeah, thank you everyone.